Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the slope of the line whose equation is given to us. So in this video we will be solving two examples. In the first example we have the equation of the line as 7x minus 3y equals 5. So to find the slope of the line we are going to compare it with the standard equation of the line in the slope-intercept form. The standard equation is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept on the y-axis. That means it is the point where the line touches the y-axis. It is also written as y is equal to mx plus b. So you can use any of the variables c or b for showing the intercept of the line. Let's find the slope for the first one. The first equation is 7x minus 3y equals 5. So first we'll change this equation into the y equals to mx plus c form. So we'll leave only the y variable here and we'll transpose all the other variables to the right hand side of the equation. So here we'll have minus 3y equals 5 and this 7x will be transposed to the right hand side and this will be minus 7x. We need only y variable on the left hand side, so we'll divide both the sides of the equation by negative 3. So dividing both sides by negative 3. So we are doing this to convert this equation in the standard form. So this will be negative 3y upon negative 3 equals 5 upon negative 3 minus 7x upon negative 3. So this negative 3 and negative 3 will get cancelled. So this will be y equals negative 5 upon 3 and this negative and negative sign will be multiplied. So this will become plus 7x upon 3. So now we have y equals minus 5 by 3 plus 7x upon 3. We need the x variable first. So this will be y equals 7 upon 3x minus 5 upon 3. Just rearranging to get the x term first. So this will be, now we'll compare it with the standard equation. Comparing with standard equation, which is, the standard equation is y equals mx plus c. This is our standard equation. And we have y equals 7 upon 3x plus negative 5 by 3. So here m will be equal to 7 upon 3, which is the slope, and c will be equal to negative 5 by 3. So the slope of the line is 7 upon 3. So this is how we find the slope of the line whose equation is given to us using the slope-intercept form. Now let's find the slope for the other equation which is given to us, which is 3x plus 2y equals negative 4. Second equation is 3x plus 2y equals negative 4. Here too we'll make the equation same as the standard equation, which is y equals mx plus c. So we'll move the constants and the variables on the right hand side, leaving only the y variable on the left hand side. So this will be 2y equals minus 4 minus 3x. We need only y on the left hand side, so dividing both sides by 2. Two y upon 2 equals negative 4 upon 2 minus 3x upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This will be y equals 2 times 2 is 4. So this will be negative 2 minus 3 upon 2x. Or switching x term and constant. So this will be y equals negative 3 upon 2x minus 2. So comparing with y equals mx plus c, m equals negative 3 by 2. Here we see y equals minus 3x minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 will be m, which is the slope, and negative 2 will be the intercept, which is c. So slope is negative 3 by 2. Slope of the line is negative 3 upon 2. This is our final answer. So this is how we find the slope of the line whose equation is given to us using the slope-intercept form. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.